Parents, big Lego sets can feel intimidating for younger kids. After hundreds of Lego builds Evan and I have put together, we've tried larger builds like the Millennium Falcon or the Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle. Honestly, Evan loses steam partway through those builds. Nearly 3,000 pieces and an 18+ rating can make you wonder if your kid will actually stick with a kit this size.
But here's the cool part. This one isn't just a giant display piece, it's packed with 16 minifigures, 2 floors, and a removable roof, and even a prison van. Plus it works as a real playset, and it's gonna fit right into the Lego city we're building.
So, if you found this video while searching to see if the Arkham Asylum kit is worth building with your kid, you're in the right spot.
And I'll tell you which parts I thought were more fun and which ones gave me trouble.
We'll cover what makes it doable with a 9-year-old, highlight some of the cool play features, and give you our honest review at the end of the video.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Evan.
And I'm Ryan.
Welcome to the Bonding Blueprint.
Quick info for parents. Arkham Asylum is labeled as an 18 and up kit, which is how LEGO marks their collector and display edition kits. It doesn't mean that the build requires the skill of an 18-year-old. In fact, many of their big display kits, like the Millennium Falcon or the Harry Potter Castle, have similar ratings.
We will talk about our opinion on what the age rating should be in the review section.
This kit comes with 2,953 pieces. It stands about 13 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. Price is $299.99. It comes with 16 minifigures and a patient transport van.
The minifigs are stacked. We've got Batman, Robin, Batwing, Batwoman, Catwoman, the Penguin, Bane, Scarecrow, Killer Croc, Harley Quinn, Poison Ivy, Mr. Freeze, the Riddler, and 2 security guards, plus the Joker.
This set connects to other modular LEGO buildings with its 32 by 32 base. There are 24 numbered bags, so you can spread it across a few days. We'll discover more about the play features as we build, but parents should know going in, there are a lot of stickers to help your kids place.
Okay, time to start building.
Get some unboxing done, huh? All right, we're pretty excited about this kit.
It's massive.
It is massive. So now we're gonna start unboxing and see what we got ahead of us for our build.
Opening sesame.
Is that a whole other box inside?
Oh, yes it is.
All right. Oh, and some bags.
What is this? I'm just gonna open this for the sake of opening it.
What do we got? More bags.
What the?
Oh, there we go. Oh, you opened it the other side, the other way. I think that was actually the bottom of it, but that's okay.
Well,
all right, I'm guessing.
Hey, we got the base plate.
Yeah, we got the base plate. That's empty.
Bag 1.
We found the first bag. Eureka! All right, wow, this is a significant set. That is a lot of stickers.
That is a lot. 1 and 2.
So we got big sheets of stickers.
Do we need this?
No, I don't believe we do. So put the stickers over there. And yeah, 2 very, very thick books. So this is gonna be a big build. All right, and then this is just, put the knife blade back in.
Hey, what up? My name's Bob.
You gonna build the whole video like that?
Hey, what up?
All right. Just like our other LEGO videos, I want to briefly cover some tips that have worked for us to make LEGO builds fun and enjoyable. Tip number 1, use a container for parts. Use a tray or baking sheet for each bag as you build. It keeps the tiny parts from disappearing off the table. Tip number 2, tackling large or advanced LEGO kits. The way we build is simple. I hunt down the parts Evan needs for each step, and he does the majority of the building. If he stumbles, I wait a step or two to see if he spots the issue first, and if not, I'll point out something doesn't look right. but let him still figure it out. On really complicated sections, I might need to jump in, but in the couple hundred sets that we've built together, this method has worked out great for his confidence and problem-solving skills. Tip number 3, build time is talk time. These longer builds are perfect for conversations with your kids. Ask your kid about their day, school projects, or other things they're interested in. It keeps the pace relaxed and makes the build more about building and bonding than rushing just to get it done. Tip number 4, long-term build space. Big sets like this will take you and your kids multiple days to finish. If possible, choose a spot where it can stay out and be visible from day to day. This way, when your kids walk by it, they'll get excited to come back and keep building. And tip number 5, posture and breaks. Every couple bags force a stand up, grab a drink, move around. It's really easy to lose track of time on a big build, and a few hours of sitting still is rough on us parents. Okay, now that the build is done, it's review time. I'll ask some questions and Evan will tell you what he really thinks.
Mwahaha.
So, what part did you like building the most?
Probably the bottom floor, because I feel like it had the most pieces.
What was the hardest part for you? Was there something specific that stood out on this build?
I feel like these two have like the same amount of pieces, but this was probably the easiest to build because it had like less pieces.
The roof?
Yeah, like this part.
Yep.
That whole part. But these two floors, they seem a little harder because they have like windows and all of the decorations.
The little details, like the little wall details.
Putting them in like a specific order, like these. That was like...
The vines?
Yeah, these vines.
Yeah.
They could like... Because like it was hard to know because there was a bunch of like buttons.
So all the small details. There are a lot of small details on this set. They're frequent. So between the sticker pieces and then all the small little detailing, that's true, yeah. What are some of the cool features that you want to show off?
I like how it shows the Arkham Asylum here because I feel like it gives it more of a detail. I like this because like it has these little like fence post things.
You like the rooftop details?
Yeah, I think those are cool. Probably like these floors because if you look on here, over here, this actually inside of here, there's like a jail cell. There's like jail cell doors. And if you pull this trap, I don't want to break this. If I do, I will cry.
Take the second floor off too, because seeing you taking the floors apart helps give viewers an idea of how easy it is. Except for when we knock over the statue.
Statue of Liberty. So like, as I was saying, trying not to break anything. These like jail cell doors.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. The doors slide open.
That connects to that yellow thingy, the power box. And on the first floor, it's basically the exact same thing, except this has 2 beds, and this only has 1 bed. And there's a little, from this jail cell view, there's a little hole right there.
So that's how they can escape?
Yeah. Except the jail cell.
What about what's some of the other cool features?
Oh, there is a maximum security door.
Really cool detailed safe door. I like that one. The security
opens.
Door. And it's got a white padded cell.
And you get money. No, that's money.
No, it's a white padded cell. Like, so when people go to an asylum where they're a little bit crazy, they get put into a white padded cell so they can't like bash their head against the wall or hurt themselves. So if they start bouncing off the walls, the white pads are there to keep the inmates safe.
Yeah.
And then it's got the cool security tower.
Mm-hmm. This little thingy.
Yep. I do like the oh yeah, and I like that comes out too. That's cool.
Yeah.
And that comes off.
It has like a mic and then his coffee spilling, which, I mean, Then these two little like lookout lights, I guess.
Yeah, little searchlights. So there's a couple different escape paths that the inmates can get out, and the floor is all removed. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so pretty easy to take the floors on and off, so you can use it as a play set, or it just by itself. It's a really cool display set.
And then we got Harley Quinn in the back.
We've got Harley Quinn.
I trapped her. And then we got a cop in the front with his two pew-pews.
So with you being 9, almost 10, what age do you think is appropriate for this kit?
I'd say 9 or 10 plus, because like we said in the video, it says it's 18 plus, but that's only for collector's sets. So, and I was able to build this, and you were helping me on some of it, but you were most of the time just getting pieces, and I was building it. There was only a few steps that we had to go back on and like rebuild. We had to go like back 5 steps to be able to figure out what it was.
But they were small details.
Yeah.
It wasn't anything big. I didn't see anything difficult in the set that you couldn't have figured out yourself. All right, so probably like 9 or 10 feels appropriate. I think you would have built this on your own just fine. You know, there's small detail stuff that gave you a little pause, but otherwise you were able to build this by yourself. It was more just me finding parts and helping out in that regard and spending together. So, okay, cool. And then, all right, last question. Who's your favorite minifigure out of the whole set?
Why do you have to ask that? Say probably this guy, actually.
Yeah, Batwing.
He's a flyer.
He does have some cool bat wings on him. All right, so Batwing's the favorite minifig out of the group.
What's yours?
I'm not a big fan of like the penguin, but I like the penguin and the little penguin robots with the little dynamite. I think that's kind of just adorable. Like as a group, I like those 3 together. Otherwise, my favorite choice.
I'm dynamite penguin.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'd probably say Batman. Batman's always a favorite, but otherwise, I like
His arm came off.
I like the little penguin figures. Those are cute. So my parent view. As a display piece, this thing is great, but because each floor opens, it can be used as a playset too. There are a lot of stickers and some lengthy detailing, so expect needing some patience and teamwork. Price is in what I would call a premium tier, but it's a big set and fits in with other modular buildings. There's a great cast of minifigures, and it takes a while to build. Overall, the set is worth the price tag in my opinion.
I'm always trying to talk my dad into getting more Lego sets, so comment down below and tell us what we should build next.
Speaking of that, this video isn't sponsored, and we bought the set ourselves. So, if you found the video helpful or enjoyable, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really does help us out a lot.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.